Hi everyone, I'm Cabous and welcome to another episode of Island Vibes. Today we're doing something a bit different but equally as important, if not more. We're focusing on one of the key role players in the Mauritius financial landscape, one of which you'll be very familiar with, Absa Bank, Mauritius. We're sitting here chatting this morning to Jaysen Nundoosingh, Head of Wealth, Absa Mauritius. Jaysen, thank you so much for having us here today. It's really much appreciated. I know you got a hectic schedule. And the reason why we got you here this morning is that I get a lot of questions from abroad. And I know you're the right person to answer all those questions. But just before we carry on, you got to tell us a little bit more about this absolutely fantastic offices of yours.
Good morning, Cabous. A very good welcome to you. It's absolutely fantastic having you here in, like you say, our brand new offices. I've seen a few of your island vibes. They're simply awesome, so congratulations on those. Where you are sitting right now is actually our brand new wealth center. It's the first wealth center in the Absa group, which sits outside of South Africa. So we're very excited that you're here with us this morning. It's a wonderful collection of offices, meeting rooms, boardrooms, solely dedicated to our clients, our private clients. So welcome.
Can you allude a little bit more to our viewers out there? What are the financial solutions that you offer to people who want to invest in Mauritius?
There's two sets of customers we focus on. The first set belongs to our resident customers. So anybody who lives in Mauritius forms part of our domestic operations. And then the second set of customers we serve are our international customers. And in that space, we serve customers from over 40 different jurisdictions, globally speaking. Naturally, being Absa, a large part of those international customers are from our beautiful African continent. And in particular, a large concentration of those customers naturally flow from South Africa.
Your financial solutions, Jaysen, that you offer, can you elaborate a little bit to the viewers out there a little bit more about that?
So on the financial solutions side, there's three sets, if I can put it like this. We've got our cash solutions. What I mean by cash is basically you can open bank accounts in 9 different currencies. And obviously you can have current accounts, savings accounts, deposit accounts, and linked to that, we have international payment capabilities, including debit cards and credit cards for your day-to-day banking. This is one set of products available. The second set, where it gets a little bit more interesting, is on the credit side. So we have a suite of credit solutions, anything from overdrafts, from short-term loans and mortgages. And in particular in mortgages, which is a very important part of our business here in Absa, there's again different structures available to cater for the requirements of those customers. So what I mean by that is you can have a normal mortgage, but you can also have a structured mortgage depending on what your cash flows are. And mortgages, just to be very clear, we provide mortgage solutions to both resident and non-resident customers. So if you have a customer who lives in South Africa, who's looking to make an acquisition of sorts here in Mauritius in an approved scheme, absolutely we have an appetite to provide a financial solution to help that dream come true for those customers. So that's the second set. And then the third and final set is with regards to our global investments. And here, there's a whole variety of capabilities, from discretionary portfolio management, non-discretionary, advisory and execution for global investments.
I often get asked the question from South African buyers who want to invest in property in Mauritius. Can they open an Absa account from abroad, or do they physically have to be in Mauritius?
Absolutely, yes. We have teams in Cape Town, Johannesburg, Pretoria, and Durban who will physically go out and see those clients in South Africa, get the paperwork done, send it over to us, and we will open those bank accounts. If everything is in order, in a couple of days, the bank account is open, that dollar account is open, and the banking relationship is from that point on managed by a wealth banker and an assistant. So there's two people looking after one client, and the whole relationship is managed from Mauritius in a very independent, discreet manner.
Just one thing quickly, my last question from my side is, there's a lot of people that arrive here from whether it be African continent, whether it be Europe. And I must admit, it is quite daunting if you go to a new bank, you don't know the bank at all. What services do you guys actually offer to navigate these clients through these treacherous waters or daunting times if they come see a new bank on the island?
Customer experience is absolutely critical for us, and we provide that customer experience with an amount of confidence, if I can put it like that. And I say this because it's a business that we have been active in for a good number of years. So we're very well experienced with investors coming through to Mauritius. We know the sensitivities that these clients have. We understand some of that anxiety that they may have coming through with their hard-earned money looking to invest in Mauritius. And I think the banking team which takes care of them is a very senior, experienced banking team, and we've been doing that for many years. So we treat each and every client in a very special way, with a lot of sensitivity, and making sure it is as smooth as possible in an absolutely discreet manner. I think these are very essential as we go along to build these relationships.
Well, guys, there you have it. World-class facilities, world-class service, and world-class people. What do you want more? So, the team to go and see is the Absa Wealth team at the Absa Wealth Center at the precinct in Grand Bay. I'm Cabous, and if you're looking for anything in Mauritius, I'll be your wingman. Please don't forget to like and share and go to our new YouTube channel. See you in the next episode.